Hi guys, welcome back to another review of Max Pips. This week we're gonna look at gold again. So before we start, I'm gonna look at last week's review, and basically we more or less landed here around this 1694, 1688 area where we found some support. If you ask me, the downtrend still going down. We're still not done yet. I still expect to see the lows around 1672, 1670. Maybe as low as 1650 before we have any significant pullback. So far this plays out well, but we're not done yet, if you ask me. So look at the CO2 reports from last week. Banks still adding shorts, reducing longs, which tells me we're not there yet. And yeah, that's more or less validated by this chart as well. So we need to find some completion of the CLAC, and it will be probably around 1670. So we're gonna keep our eyes open next week. Starting next week, I do expect a pullback to around 1715, 1720, as where I do expect some rejection again towards the 1672 level. If we close above the 1735, I expect some bullish moves, but we're not there yet. So for now, we're gonna add some shorts around 1720, 1715 with a potential target of 1680, 1672, and maybe a little bit lower to 1653. So why do I expect some bullishness? I was looking at the 10-year bonds as we did last week as well, and we see there that the shorts are being added and the longs are being reduced. However, the dollar, US dollar, gained some momentum, and they added some longs in this area. So I do expect some bullishness on the dollar again next week to a level of around 92.4-ish. So we're almost there. From there, I do expect a pullback to around 90.3 and possibly more up towards 94 area. The bonds found some resistance here around the 1.5, 1.6. They might push up a little bit, but I don't expect much. And then I expect a correction to 1.14 before we see probably another move up, pushing gold probably down. So short-term gold. This is actually where we are now. So currently price closed at 1703. I do expect we will keep the lows for now and find some support around 1691 and resistance around 1715, 1720 before we drop again to probably around 1672, 1670 this area. And from there, I do expect a bounce towards 1774, 1779. Small pullback to 1735 again, and then probably the last corrective move up to around 1830, 1840. And from there, trend might continue down again as dollar gains some momentum in the 10-year bonds. Probably pick up as well. For now, let's trade this corrective move. So I will be looking for long entries around 1672, stop loss below the 1630, and my target would be around 1774, 1779, and 1830, 1850. So this could be a nice swing move. Again, it's following this channel perfectly. So we got some bounce here. Probably gonna retest the lower again and got 1, 2, 3 hits at that point. And normally it bounces back then, find the upper side of this range as well, where we bounce 1, 2, and probably reject it for the third time as well. So for now, I do keep my bearish view, but I do expect a bounce of around $100 quite quick. So careful with your lot size and your trading positions. For now, trade safe and hope to see you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this, and join us in our Telegram group. We have some awesome traders, and we're here to support you. So please join us in our Telegram group, maxpips.net, _net, and hope to see you there soon. Take care.